Star Memorial. Pretty little area here. We'll go down that way shortly. Let's go have a walk around. We're not going to look at every road, as you can see how they're done up in rows. Nice little brick planter. Looks like a lot of them's labeled. Let's go look at some of them. We'll look for some of the more prettier ones, which to me are the vine tricolor. Yellow roses, orange roses, red roses. Let's come over here and look at some of these. How pretty those are. More multicolored roses. Those things are beautiful. Even some of the trees are in bloom now. If you're in the roses, definitely. This was a second stop off for me, kind of a last minute. I made the plan to go to a place here in Thomasville. Got there and realized I'd already been there. I'm going to be climbing those. 4th of July climbing those. Even got a gazebo in the center. We might have to make another trip up here. Figure out when everything gets kicked off in full bloom. Let's walk over and check out this park.